Hello everyone and welcome to the Emenac Packaging YouTube channel. We are so happy to have you here and we hope you get a lot of good information out of this video. Today we are going to discuss the most creative custom packaging ideas for Christmas. Firstly, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. Let's start now. The best time of year is forthcoming. The tinkling and the clinking sound of jingle bells, the laugh of Santa Claus, and the excitement for gifts. All these bring some extraordinary pleasure every year and leave you with unforgettable memories. Have you started the preparations for Christmas? If not, then no need to worry about it. Emenac Packaging brings you the utmost creative Christmas packaging ideas to make your packaging more attractive than ever before. Number 1, follow the color theme. As colors always reflect the feel of events, you should follow the color themes for Christmas. The famous colors for Christmas are red and white, but you can always use different colors that you think would match your vibe. Number 2, pick attractive patterns. Selecting patterns is another important decision to make while designing custom Christmas boxes. Choosing snowmen, reindeer, and Santa Claus as the elements for your patterns will be perfect. Number 3, protection. No matter what the event or theme, your packaging should always be as protected as it can. You can be protective and creative at the same time by filling your boxes with either wood or wool to make your custom packaging presentable and creative. Number 4, branding. As branding is mandatory for your custom Christmas packaging, you can creatively promote your brand too. Embossing and debossing can help you here to present your brand without moving from the track of creativity, and it gives your packaging an attractive look. Number 5, golden hot stamping. Hot stamping is the process of covering a specific area of your packaging with different colored foils. Most businesses prefer hot stamping over their brand's logo, text, or borders. Golden hot stamping is in demand because of its shiny appearance, which delivers a professional look to your customers. Number 6, use partitions. There are many advantages of featuring partitions in your packaging, such as keeping the product from shaking and getting bumped inside the box. Partitions are also beneficial to make products more attractive and sorted into your custom Christmas packaging. Number 7, try some ornaments. Ornaments always have been a plus point for making the packaging appealing, and Christmas is the event on which you have no lack of ornaments. You can add Christmas trees, jingle bells, gift ribbons, and much more to your packaging to make your product stand out in the market. And finally, number 8, greeting tags. Don't forget to add greeting tags to your Christmas packaging boxes. These tags will not only help you in building strong consumer relationships, but also will be beneficial to promoting your brand awareness. Those were the 8 creative ideas that Emenac Packaging brought to you for your Christmas packaging. Contact us for customizing your Christmas packaging just like these or any other ideas that you get. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you found this video informative, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any notifications. Bye until the next video.